Hello everyone, welcome to Fast Ready Computer Training College. In this video, I'll teach you mail merge step by step using a KCSE practical exam. We will create a seminar invitation letter and automatically customize it for different schools using Microsoft Word. If you are preparing for KCSE, computer packages, or office work, this lesson is for you. Let's begin. So this is the question. We are being given a letter and we need to send it to these schools. So we will open word processor. So we are told that open new document and create the following as it appears. Save the document as Mali. We will come and save. Then I'll come to documents. Then here I'll create a folder and I'll call it maybe mail merge. I want to put all my things in a folder. Then this one I call it Mali. Then I type as it appears the principal. Dear sir. So I put bold because they were bold. In spacing here we don't have space and also here we don't have space. So I will remove the spaces. So I already have the letter. Now having the letter, we go to create recipient list. This on here. So we need to create it in another file. Come, create new. I come to mail merge. Then I call this recipients. So I create table. The table is having 2 columns and 4 rows. So this is school and this one is room. Ginga school, room 6. Luby school, room 8. Trans school, room 10. And we save it. So if we come to open our folder in documents, we will find our 2 files. That is Mali containing the letter of the seminar invitation. Then the recipient list containing the details of whom are receiving the invitation. Now we will come to mailing. Then start mail merge. Step by step mail merge wizard. Then we will start here. There are letters. We go to next. Select starting document. We are starting with that. We go to next. Select recipients. We will use an existing list because we have created it. So we will come and browse. We go where it was, documents, mail merge. Then this is the recipient. Then we say okay here. Then we go to next. Next. And we complete. After that, we come to where we see insert merge field. You can say have school and room. So this school and room, they are from our recipient list. And now we need to merge them with the letter. So I'll select this school here. I come and select school. Then I will come to room. Then I insert merge field, room. Then after that, I will come to finish and merge. It will ask me edit individual document, print documents, or send email messages. For now, I'm not sending the emails because I'm teaching you how to do it. So I will edit individual. So I see each and every one. Merge new document, merge records, or current record or from to. For me, I'll merge all records. So the first one was Ginga School, Luby School, Trans School. So we will come to confirm. Principal, Ginga School, room 6. If you come to next, Ruby School, room 8. Then we have Trans School, room 10. Then after that, we need to save this with Save As. We take it where the others were. They were in mail merge. And we are told that we need to save the mail merged document as A letters. We save A letters and we are through with mail merge. If you check here, we are told that print out each of the following. Okay, they never told us the name for the document, but I think this social network is this table because they never told us about the name to call it. Then we have Marimari. Marimari is our letter. Then we have A letters, the merged letters. So we are supposed to print. We have Marimari. But now, here, after mail merging, what we are supposed to do, remember this is Marimari, not merged letters. So you close it and you don't save this one. You do. If we come to our folder, here we have the Marimari as our letter or the invitation letter we were to create. So we are supposed to print this. We just go to File, Print, then you select the printer. You select the printer that you want to print. For me, I'm not connected to the printer. That's why you can see offline. So if I'm connected, it will be online. Then you press here, it will print. Then we are being asked to print this, the list, recipient list. We print this table. Also, we are told to print the A letters. These are the invitation letters. So if you check, if you are sending to 100 people, or you want to print anything, or it's letter or certificates you are awarding, it's appointment letters, you just do mail merge. And then you are through. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Goodbye.